Hello all, want your AI coding assistant to access GitHub, databases, cloud services or your own custom tools? In this video, I'll show you how to add MCP servers to Google's Antigravity IDE. We'll cover installing built-in MCP servers from the MCP Store and connecting your own MCP server in just few minutes. So what are MCP servers in general? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a bridge between your AI assistant and external tools. Instead of manually copying informations into prompts, MCP lets Antigravity and any other AI agent to securely connect databases, APIs, GitHub repositories, and many other developer tools in real time. So the first method is installing MCP server from the store. So open Antigravity IDE and let's start with the easiest method. Here in the agent side panel, click on the three-dot menu, and if you click on MCP server, you can see a dozens of supported MCP servers here. Choose the server you want and then click install. If authentication is required, simply follow the on-screen login prompts, and once that is done, your MCP server becomes available automatically and you can start using its tools and resources immediately. And the second one is adding custom MCP server. So what if your MCP server is not here, and again you have to go on clicking manage MCP servers, where Antigravity allows us to connect custom MCP servers here. Here we have to go and click on this file called raw config, and here if you go to Zoho MCP and once you have created your server, you can use the code here. Just copy it and we just have to paste it and save it, and again go back to manage MCP servers, give a quick refresh, and now that we can see that our MCP is added here.